I guess that's all. Now the truth is out.
Really?
That mom's are what it's all about. She's always been a superstar. The only person you can't be sure of is your mama.
What about you and your mama? Your mama. Hear what I said, did you? That's right, I said your mama.
Let him go inside.
Your mama.
What's up, man?
I mean, we'll freak and all that. But, has anyone that you look just like Big Bird from Sesame Street?
Has anyone ever told you that your mama looks like a big bird from Sesame Street?
Yeah, your mama's a slut.
Your papa's a smash. I said your daddy. Listen, sir. Why are we snapping on each other? Check out all these people here listening to us. Let's get on their case for a minute. So tell the DJ, your mama. Now tell the barmaid, your mama. Tell the couple next to you, your mama. Tell someone dressed in blue, your mama. Tell the girl dressed in red, your mama. Throw your hands over your head and say your mama. Now tell your partner, your mama. Now tell your papa, your mama. Now tell your mama, your mama. Now tell your mama, your mama. When you're in a crowd, just shout out loud. Your mama, your mama, your mama, your mama. Yo, now find some place. Alright. So tell your boss, your mama. Tell your landlord, your mama. The phone company, your mama. Tell anyone you see, your mama. So tell the mayor, your mama. Tell the governor, your mama. Tell the president, your mama. When they raise a rate, your mama.
Your mama. That's right, I said your mama.